Hello guys, so welcome back in another video. So in today's video again I will share with you an application for learning English or for English practice. So let's begin. So this application name is Speaky. As you can see, that application is already on my screen. I have already installed this application from the Play Store, so you can simply also install this application by going on Play Store. So let's start Speaky. So that's how this application will looks like. So now I have to give some information talking about the hobbies. Okay, so now let's start. So first of all, it is asking about to create the account. So I'll go with the sign up and I will go with my Gmail, like with my Google account. So yes, I have already logged in with my Gmail account. So let's see now how it works. The scenario, you meet this new friend at a party and you are both trying to get to know to each other better. Now talk with your new friend about what you like and dislike. So helpful words and expressions. I like to watch movies. I don't like sports. I enjoy readings. I spend a lot of time playing video games. So let's start. Okay, so I have to give the access for my microphone. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so
So, what do you like to do in your free time?
so what would you like to do in your free time? So it is also giving you a phrase like how you can just reply. I like to play football with my friend. So yes, you can say I like to play football with my friends. I like to play football with my friends.
That sounds fun. I love watching football.
Now you can say I like to watch football too. I like to watch football too.
Great. Who is your favorite team?
Okay, so let's start. My favorite team is Barcelona.
Nice choice. I like Barcelona too.
Okay, so now if you will make any mistake with the pronunciation, so it will also shows you about your percentage of like how much you have pronounced this word correctly. So for my case, right now I have pronounced the Barcelona not really correctly, so it is saying 83%, but before it was 100%. So that is quite good. Let's see what we can do the next with that. So that's how it works, and it is also very interestingly there's another really good option that I like it a lot. So when you will click on a word, so it will also give you the meaning of that word. For example, in my case, I'm just clicking on favorite. So yes, as you can see,
Favorite.
liked more than others, preferred, and as you can see also there's example, chocolate is my favorite dessert. Okay, so and other thing, for example, if I'm just clicking on the Barcelona,
Barcelona.
so it is a city in Spain, and the home of the famous football team. So yes, you can also click on the word to see the meaning. And there is another interesting option, as you can see, the better phrasing. So for example, your answer was my favorite team is Barcelona. Even you can say in a different way. For example, I'm just clicking on it. Now you can see, I can see there is another sentence is available also below. I can also use that sentence. For example, I like Barcelona as my favorite team. Even if I can also listen this by clicking on this sound.
I like Barcelona as my favorite team.
Wonderful. So that's quite good, interesting. So what was the next? My favorite player is Messi. Okay, I will just again click on it and say that word. My favorite player is Messi.
Messi is amazing. He is very skilled.
Wonderful. That's great. So again, yes, you can also check another phrasing. My favorite player is Leon Messi.
My favorite player is Lionel Messi.
Okay, perfect. So that's how you can just use this application. If you want to change the topic, so there are some more topics that we have changed the subject. Okay, I want to change the subject, so I will simply click on it. Do you like to
Do you
play?
like to play any other sports?
Okay, so that's how I can just start changing the topic. I can just give the name of this question. For example, I can answer this question. I like to play basketball with my friends, so that's how I can change the subject. So that's how you can keep changing the subject, and you can also change the tutor. Change
Hello,
tutor.
everyone. I'm Emily. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Just
Perfect.
speak up. I'm here to help.
Yes. So other options are the paid version. So yes, we are using the free one, Emily. So yes, even if you are using the paid version, so you can simply also change the characters, or you can also change the tutor. So yes, even you can also change your level by clicking on this option. So absolute beginner, or if I will just click on the intermediate, so it will start to asking me the questions regarding to that. So I think that is quite good application it is for practicing or to improve your speaking skills. So yes, you can simply download, install this application, and you can use it for practicing your English. So I hope that you like this video, and then see you in another video. Thank you for watching.